Hi, I'm Sarwar. Today I am going to show you how to add Google Maps on your website. To add Google Maps button on your website, I am using Beat Assist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I have already installed Beat Assist plugin to add Google Maps button on my website. So click on Beat Assist Pro, add widget, give her widget name. Now click on create button. Now click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, Google Map. Give here Google Maps EMBD code and save it. Now go to WordPress page and refresh the page. Here you can see the Beat Assist logo bottom corner of the screen. So click on Beat Assist and click on Google Map. Here you can see the maps show me the current logo which I add in my EMBD code. So you can also add your company or otherwise your company service in the map. So in this way you can add your Google Maps button on your website. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.